all of you to please stand up as a mark of respect to our esteemed guest. Now, the President of India, the Governor of Odisha, and Minister of Tourism and Culture, magnificent towering personalities to the dais. Audience, may please rise for the national anthem. Thank you. Of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mumbai, Kerala. Under his stewardship, Bhavan has grown into world-class. He received Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan apart from many other awards. Thank you, sir. Now, I will request the Chairman of Bhavan Center for Communication and Management, Major General B.K. Mahapatra, to kindly preside over the convocation ceremony.
I declare the fourth convocation of Bhavan Center for Communication and Management, Bhubaneswar, open. May I request all the audience please rise for Bhavan's anthem. Respected Dr. S.C. Zamir, Governor of Odisha, respected Sri Maheshwar Mahanti, Minister of Government of Odisha, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, especially the graduating students and other young people in the hall. How lucky you people are, the graduating students and the young, to receive your diploma from the President of India and the Governor of Odisha. You people are really enjoying the fruit of the labor and sacrifice which has been made by our freedom fighters, and also the contribution made for the nation building by the elders like our chief guest and guests of honor. We have to thank our elders for it, and at the same time, you have to prove yourself to be worthy of the legacy and the trust. India's future is in your hand. Allow me to repeat a cliche which I used to tell you in the college. Dream, dream and dream. Out of dream will come a vision. Out of a vision will come a mission. And out of a mission will come a plan of action. You must dream big, but you must have a plan of action. Remember the three aims which we had set for ourselves in the college? First and foremost, be a good human being. This is the most important aspect of a man who should live with Indian ageless values, ethics, culture, with humility and compassion, following the motto of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. The second, be an enlightened citizen. Remember the 11 fundamental duties which are enshrined in our wonderful constitution. Follow those carefully in your life. If you do it, I assure you, India will be a great nation and will be proud of you. Third, be an inspiring leader. A leader who is committed, takes responsibility of its speedy implementation. He takes timely decisions, keeping in mind its effect in the moral, social, economic.
Global factors have affected the currency of many emerging economies, including India. Stabilizing the rupee is engaging the attention of our policymakers. Number of steps has been taken to strengthen our external sector. A good monsoon of this year should have a favorable impact of agricultural growth and food prices. Though growth has slowed down in the recent times, as the fundamentals of our economy remain strong, I hope we will be able to overcome this crisis. Steps are being taken to contain the fiscal deficit and boost industrial investment. I am sure our economic growth being restored to the high levels seen in the recent past. Dear students, India's political and economic stability, it is important that we have truly inclusive growth which benefits each and every citizen of the country, especially the marginalized sections and those at the base of socio-economic pyramid. As managers, you will in future be key catalysts in India's growth story. Effective management and determined minds are critical for ensuring the rapid development of our nation. Knowledge of the theory and application of business management imparted to you by the Institute, tempered with real-life experiences, will soon create successful managers out of you. However, in the quest for climbing the ladders of competition, the basic principles of business ethics, constructive motivation, corporate social responsibility, and corporate governance should not be forgotten. These principles should be inculcated into every sphere of management as they are essential for effective and sustainable development. As students of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, you should always keep in mind India's core civilizational values. Your primary goal should be to transform society and not merely salaries or profits. Sometimes there will be setback in life. Your own colleagues, friends may let you down, but it is in such situations that the training provided to you, skill imparted in you by institutions like Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan will stand you in good stead. You must face adverse situations with fortitude and be confident that in the end, truth alone triumphs. As always, we believe, Satyamevo Jayate. Education is a necessary tool for the national progress. Human empowerment and social changes. You must understand that considerable resources, effort, and sacrifice have gone into your education. Society has invested in you, and therefore society can legitimately demand a dividend from you. You can pay this dividend by helping those who are weak, needy, and deprived. The destiny of our nation will be saved by the willpower, initiative, and ingenuity of the young of our country. Once Swami Vivekananda observed, and I quote, "All knowledge that the world has ever received comes from the mind. The mind, the infinite library of the universe, is in our mind. Quest for knowledge and sharing of wisdom with others will help eliminate darkness in society and take both the mind and soul towards enlightenment." In the Bhagavad Gita, sharing of knowledge has been termed as Shrestha Punna, the holiest of all blessings. The dedication of the Ramakrishna Knowledge Center, named after Dr. Munshi Devu and trusted Lieutenant Sri Ramakrishnan to the public today, is a major contribution by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in this regard. Dear students, as you pass out of the portals of your esteemed institution, I urge you to achieve the following 5 milestones in order to play a meaningful role in the society. Be a good human being and a good citizen. Be positive all the time in thought, action, and deed. When obstacles come, stay calm and overcome them with perseverance and determination. Always dream, because dreamers are creators. Try to be always innovative and understand the infinite power of innovation and creativity which lies dormant inside yourself. Reiterate that innovation is the key to progress and prosperity for our nation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.